Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a rear map light in an A4 B8 from 2010. First of all, make sure the lights are off, and then you need one of these pry tools that doesn't scratch or damage, and put it in here just behind the first layer of plastic. We are trying to take out the cover, not the whole thing. As you can see, it's even deeper in there. And then just move it around and keep prying everything out. And this is it. And you can see from the color how much these original incandescent bulbs light up and actually damage the plastic itself. So in my case, we are actually putting these things in, which, as you can see, have bulbs only on one side. They don't have them on the laterals or something like that, because light must come only directly down in this particular situation from the arrangement in here. The originals are W5W, consume 5 watts and put out a lot of heat and ugly yellow light. The LEDs, these things consume under 0.5 watts, so about 10 times as efficient. And yeah, this is the model exactly, still W5W obviously, and this is the model from this particular brand, but this doesn't really matter. And let's open this thing up and pop them in there, and I think they are polarity dependent, so if we put it in the wrong way they will not light up, so we might need to turn them around. So let's get to it. Okay, and now make sure these are cold to the touch, but if it's already blown, maybe in your case, then for sure it's cold. And you need to put your hand in there and wiggle it around to pull it out. Yeah, and it's quite stubborn in place in my case. I wonder if both of them are equally stubborn, and I think my hands are a bit wet. Yeah, it's not a nice thing to do. Yeah, wiggle them on this direction. It seems it's doing the trick. At least I have the impression it is doing something. Yeah, and it was doing something. So this is the old bulb. Should be a W5W, but I'm not sure if we can see it. 5 watts. And these are the new bulbs. Yeah, and that one went off. So let's put one of them in. Make sure everything is okay in there, and it looks fine and dandy. Let's push this thing in place. Do we have a bit of over solder in here? Maybe. But it's in there. It's actually, yeah, it's stuck to the resistor, so it will not fall. Shouldn't damage anything or create any issues. Now we need to push this thing in place, and this will be fun. Oh, it went in easier than expected. Now, let's give this thing a bell. So there's one. There's the other one, which has the wrong polarity, as I told you. Damn. Well, I guess it was 50-50, wasn't it? And because I dropped it, I might actually put it the same wrong way once again. Let's see. Yep. That's my fault for filming and doing this at the same time. Voila! And we have light. So there's that. But weirdly enough, this isn't actually giving me full light until I light that one up. I wonder why that is. Is it consuming too less power? Okay, so beware of flickering light. Yep, Houston, we have a big problem. It seems they are too low power for this car to actually consider them as working, so it's not giving them full juice. Yeah, and it sucks because they were bright enough, as you could see when I had still an incandescent in here and only a LED here, and it was lighting at the max. So they are bright enough, but they just don't consume enough power. So I need to buy other ones that consume more power and are bright as a damn UFO. Thank you, Audi. Once again, a simple job turns tricky because of stupid software and electronics. Nope, all good, crisis avoided. These things did not light up because the car was in sleep mode. I worked on it and had all the doors opened up and it went into sleep mode. So this don't consume enough to wake it up from that mode, but if you close the doors or one of the doors and open it back up, the car wakes up, and these things work beautifully and perfectly. I'm not sure about the automatic dimming that the car does when it shuts them off. That might not work properly, but do I care? No, not really. So yeah, at this point, let's put this thing back up, and I think it doesn't have a front or a back, it just is symmetrical, so it shouldn't matter. Okay, so let's put this thing back in place, start from one side, and then slowly clip it all around, and we are done. Ooh. And this is nice. This is actually white light, really white light. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.